What's up, my friends? Welcome back. Today we are going to be reviewing place value. So before we get into place value, I want you to remember the word digits. Every number is made up of digits, and our digits go from 0 to 9. To teach you place value, I'm going to use our base 10 blocks. So each cube is worth 1. So here I have 3 cubes on my screen. When I have a lot of cubes on my screen, my goal is to try to regroup them into as many groups of 10 as I can. So here I've taken my 10 individual cubes and I've regrouped them into one long block. We call this long block a base 10 block, and it is equal to 10 cubes. The more that we regroup into 10, the easier it is to understand the number. So let's get into place value. I'm going to use our place value chart to help you see the numbers a little bit clearer. And what I want you to notice is with our place value chart, we have 2 columns. One column is for our ones, the other column is for our tens. So if I take a number like 21 and I put it on my place value chart, it would look something like this. And what I want you to notice is that the number 21 is made up of 2 tens and 1 1. So 2 tens, which is 20, plus 1 1 equals 21. So let's try another number. If I give you the number 52, which number do you think goes into the ones column, and which number do you think goes into the tens column? I know that the number that is furthest to the right is the ones place. So if you said that the 2 belongs in the ones place on our place value chart, you are correct. Which number belongs in the tens place? Very good. The number next to our ones place is called the tens place. So I see that the 5 is in our tens place. So I'm going to put that 5 on our place value chart. Now, my challenge to you is to represent 52 using base 10 blocks. So I know that the 5 and 52 is worth 5 tens. So I'm going to use 10 blocks to represent that. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 5 base 10 blocks, or 5 tens, is the same as 50. So now I need to represent my ones. All I need to do is add 1, 2. 2 cubes. 2 cubes is the same as 2. So 5 tens, or 50, plus 2 equals 52. So let's try one more number, and friends, this one is going to be challenging. So let's say I give you the number 70. Which digit in the number 70 belongs in the ones column, and which digit belongs in the tens? Very good. So I know that the number that is furthest to the right is in the ones place. So in this case, the digit 0 is in the ones place. So I'm going to put 0 on the place value chart. I also know that the digit next to the ones place is the tens place. In this case, our digit is 7. So I'm going to put 7 on our place value chart underneath the tens column. So now that we have the number 70 written on our place value chart, I can see that 70 is made up of 7 tens and 0 ones. So here comes the challenging part. Can you represent the number 70 using base 10 blocks? So I know since I need to show 7 tens, I need 7 base 10 blocks. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 7 base 10 blocks, or 7 tens, is the same as 70. Now, this is where it can get tricky. When I look at my ones column, I see that there are 0 ones. That means I don't need to add any cubes because there are 0 ones. All right, my friends, thanks for watching. I'll see you on Friday. Have a great day today. Don't forget to be completing the math worksheets that I've given you on Google Classroom. For today's lesson, my challenge for you is to not only take the numbers I've given you and tell me what the value of each digit is in those numbers, but you also need to be representing those numbers using base 10 blocks. Good luck, and I will see you on Friday.